Yo, what is up? What's been happening? Welcome back to another episode of Those Karuds. Boom. We live in New Zealand, and that means that there are some blue skies over there and that there are some rain clouds above us. So we thought it would be a perfect day to work on the Silvia.
It's a bit risky, but we do have a tent. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it stays up. Tonight paint booth. I know, how good. Be honest though, it did kind of fall apart the last couple of days. We've had to do some repairs. Tonight we are taking our next step in getting the Silvia ready for a full respray. And so tonight we're going to be pulling out as much of the interior as we possibly can. This car is absolutely disgusting. Like, I don't know what happened in here, but it smells terrible, it's stained, it's dirty. This interior is not worth nothing to nobody. So we are gonna pull it out. It is gonna be a drift car anyway. And I'm actually super excited about this. JD, I'm very excited about this.
I'm super excited, Nathan. I think we need to get some lights up in here. We're gonna go grab some tools and we're gonna go grab some lights and we're gonna get into it. It's getting pretty dark, so I think those are some necessities that we need, Nathan.
Yes. Let's do that.
Okay, maybe we should go around the back.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, follow us.
We went the wrong way. It's easy to do.
Who are these people following us, Nathan?
I don't know.
Oh, we're not. Hello, mate.
We've got some good friends of ours filming, and Michael, can you just film Edward for a second? He's holding a mic for us, and Dex is on the camera.
It's locked, we're gonna have to go the other way.
No. Thank you, JD. The good thing about this toolbox, it has almost everything you need.
Nathan, you need this as well. That's our little trusty handgun.
Oh, what? Where did you get this?
Pretty sick, right?
Dude, this is dope. I never even knew this was here.
We got the lighting situation all sorted out and we're about to get into it. What we're going to do now is take out the seats. We're working on the Silvia, Nathan. We're working on the Silvia. Nathan, what's been your favorite part about working on my car?
This is loose.
Looks like the sun is shining behind you, bro.
I don't know, to be honest. I just like building things that look cool and go fast.
20D, he goes real fast, Nathan.
Coming out your way.
My way? Okay. It is so rainy outside. I don't even know if we should be doing this, Nathan.
Probably not. Let's do it.
It's raining, Nathan! It's been raining so much.
It's supposed to be summer soon.
Peeking
the last of it.
Peeking for summer, Nathan. Whoa, Nathan, just handing me parts. This is ridiculous. Hey, good job. That's looking way better in there. Wait, what is that?
That's the boot.
Not that.
Oh, what?
What's underneath the seatbelt?
This?
No, a little piece of... What's that?
Oh, yuck, dude. I don't even want to know.
What is that, Nathan?
I don't want to look at it. I don't want to think about what it could be.
That's disgusting. Drop it like it's hot. Just take it off, mate. Just take it off, mate. Oh, Nathan. This is...
Just go straight in the boot. Perfect.
This is actually a storm right now, bro. Oh my goodness. Our little tent seems to be holding up, Nathan.
It does. Very, very good.
Not too shabby, mate.
I'm quite impressed with our new workshop. There we go. Oi. That's disgusting. Look at all those spider webs.
Oh, Nathan!
Christ.
That is... What is going on? I'm not touching this car.
Yeah, bro.
Stand in the light. I want to show the people in the light. Look at this.
That's not even the bad side. Look at this. That's like many years of Spider infestation.
Dude, this car is like the scene out of Harry Potter.
Is it?
Yeah. Do you remember those big spiders were chasing them?
Oh yeah.
What would you do if one spider just came up?
I have a confession to make, bro. I haven't watched Harry Potter.
You haven't watched Harry Potter?
Harry Potter.
Stop it.
Have not.
I'm about to let the spiders out.
That's,
I got another whole nest, a whole village on the other side.
that's so gross, man.
Here comes the spider.
No, stop it. Oh, dude. I'm getting goosebumps right now just hearing you.
Come.
Oh, that's just...
They're coming.
Oh, dude, I'm freaking out,
Here
man.
they come.
I'm freaking out.
Here they come. Let's wake them up.
Oh my gosh, here they come.
Here comes the spiders.
I'm so grossed out right now, bro.
Oh my gosh! Look at that one! Nah, there's none there.
Dude, where they all go, man? This is weird. This is so weird.
I'm gonna take one for the team.
No, stop there.
Nathan, every time I went to go put my seatbelt on, I was pulling up spider webs with me. We're going to be working on this side of the car now. Look at that, Nathan.
Wonderful. There's a lot of rust in here.
Oh, can you stop, Nathan? That's actually making it worse.
It literally is, you know, it's not as bad as my E30, but it's not clean either. Sorry, bro.
Nothing's as bad as your E30, Nathan.
That's sad. Well, it's rust-free now, almost.
Can't wait for the sucker to get out of here. Ow! That was so loud. Can you just do the job? Ow! Like, it goes so much more in here, bro, without the seats. Haha! Got it! So good. Oh, dude! What is going on? Look at this. This is honestly wow. Alright, so here we go. We have pretty much everything out. The seats, the seat belts, the rear seats, the parcel tray. We have everything out, Nathan, except for this grotty carpet. And well, we're gonna have a go at taking this out now, so let's do it. Hey, it's actually not too bad under here.
Dude, look, I found a Japanese coin.
Oh yes, another
100, I guess that's 100 yen. Is that 100 yen? I think so.
And there it is. It has been a pretty eventful night. The rain was out, the snow was out, the wind was out. I'm pretty sure the sun came out as well at some point. But Nathan, we were under here in our little pitched up tent that we have in the back of my yard, and we were just working away faithfully at the S14, stripping away the interior. Seats are out, carpets out, the rear parcel trays out, all the seat belts are out. Nathan,
Wonderful.
carpet's out as well. Did I say that?
Yes, you did.
Oh, there
but
we go.
say it again. And the carpet's out. So we've really made a dent in it tonight, which is really, really cool. We're going to leave the dashboard as it's probably a little bit unnecessary for us to take it out for what we're doing. We just wanted to respray the car and do a half decent job. We're really excited about this build, and we hope you guys are too. Chuck in the comments maybe some advice or tips or things you want to see on the Silvia. We'd love to hear from you guys. And well, I don't know about you, but there's something cool about a skid hack, and there's also something cool about having a drift car that actually looks really nice, and that's kind of what we're going for. You know, we're doing our best to make it look good cheaply, and we'll see what happens from there. On a budget. But anyway, when have we never not been on a budget?
We just live on a budget.
We
Nathan.
always on a budget.
Imagine the day that we can just splash out
Nah, that'd be too easy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, hit that follow button, hit that sub button on YouTube, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.
Oh, Nathan. I think I just broke it.
No, just popped out for it. It's sweet. It's JDM. Just good as new.
Whoa! That's amazing!
It was a BMW, I'll be honest. You have to pay like 200 euros for that.
And you'd be lucky to get some cup holders as well.
Yeah.
Well, this doesn't really have cup holders.
That's a
So.
luxury, yeah.
Hey, that's genuine leather, Nathan. Straight ostrich leather, I tell you.